I've got a super hat that I'm going to show folks. It's not real, and it's not. Just don't. More to inspire, hopefully, a real engineer to actually build it, as opposed to anything else. And because I'm on vacation, I felt like it was fun to play with. I'll show here. So, one of the pieces of feedback we've received is that editing dashboards can be difficult, and the jumping back and forth between a dashboard layout and then a workbook and being able to see it in context is not ideal. So forgive the UI is hideous, and it's definitely not, this edit tile button sitting right here underneath the title is probably not the right placement for it. But the idea is, can we bring some subset of what's possible inside the workbook into a dashboard? And this is definitely, it's a hack. So we want to unify this with the change management and the sort of mutations we have on workbooks, so that you'd have a record of it, and you could go back to various states and the like too. And that I do not do that at all, even a little bit. But just to show you sort of some of the things that could be possible is like, hey, what if you were be able to change this stuff in line, where you could, there's some weird bug where the table doesn't show for some reason at the start, but like, what if you had a table and you wanted to be able to go and augment it and do it in context, so you could see it directly from within the dashboard context too. So just again, as a caveat, this is a wild hack. This is not a real feature, but I do think that even just playing with this now, and like, there's a lot of work we need to do to rip these components out and make them more reusable. There's a lot of context specific stuff that's really tied in through the workbook here, but just even playing with it now, I think it's worth it for us to explore how would we, right now it does not augment any queries. So like, actually you can see here we've got, there's like functionality, like we should be able to remove these if we were on a workbook, but it doesn't work inside the dashboard context too. We don't do it. I think we want to think through what we want to bring into a dashboard. It's not another workbook. We don't want to pull the full field picker. We don't want it. That said, though, there's a lot of stuff like, and we don't, like right now, it doesn't show, you can't size the width of the columns, but like, of course you want to do that inside a dashboard. Like, that's where it's present, and you want to be able to do it all in context, or you want to be able to see what you're changing as you're changing it, that sort of thing. So I'm hoping maybe we can inspire a new project at some point, maybe.
That is what a lot of people ask for. A lot.
Yeah. I think once you see it, it's like, of course it should work that way.
Be careful with posting that.
No, it's fine. I mean, I think that we should post the things that we're thinking about and see.
Absolutely.
It's like, it's great to get feedback on this stuff. Like, we don't need to, because we've chosen one thing doesn't make it the right choice. So we need to challenge what we're doing and make sure that we're, building the best stuff that we can. But we got to balance it against other stuff that we're doing.
That's right. And if customers ask for it because we posted, that's the best possible feedback we can possibly get. Let's build solve real problems. If they don't ask for it, conversely, kind of probably doesn't matter.
No, we still want it.